Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is December 1st, 2025, and here are the latest AI updates. This episode is sponsored by Pickert. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. ChatGPT now reaches 800 million weekly users, while OpenAI faces intensifying competition and financial strain. 3 years after a research preview launched on 30th of November 2022, rapid adoption turned into scale challenges. Revenue rose to $13 billion annual recurring revenue, but only 5% of users pay, and OpenAI plans $650 billion for servers and data centers, creating a structural deficit. On the 18th of November 2025, Google launched Gemini 3 Pro with native video, code understanding, and a 1 million token context window, narrowing the lead. OpenAI released GPT 5.1 and an app platform strategy with partners to retain relevance. A Chinese research team developed a memory architecture called GAM to minimize information loss in long interactions by combining compression with deep research. GAM applies just-in-time compilation to memory and splits duties between a memorizer and a researcher. The memorizer stores lightweight summaries and the full history in a page store divided into context-enriched pages. The researcher activates for queries and performs iterative searches using vector search, BM25, or page IDs. In benchmarks with GPT-4o Mini and KN 2.513b, GAM outperformed RAG, long context models, Memr and Memory OS, exceeding 90% on Ruler. Code and data are on GitHub. Related work includes context engineering, DeepSeek OCR, and a semantic operating system.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickert's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickert.de. Pickertde. Pinokio 5.0 turns computers into private clouds for web servers and AI models. The free tool automates package and library installs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Developer Cocktail Peanut markets it as an alternative to Vercel, running apps on local hardware. Dev mode embeds terminals. AI agents generate start scripts from descriptions and support AI CLIs. Cells splits interface for logs, live edits, and version rollback. LAN Wide Web links devices and a local host search engine, lists local servers with automatic HTTPS. Logins for Hugging Face, GitHub, and X enable access to gated models and private repositories. Users must supply hardware. Demand for powerful GPUs keeps the financial barrier high. GPT-5 completed a complex mathematical proof in an afternoon, which OpenAI researcher Sebastian Bubeck says would have taken him 1 month. The model devised the solution approach, ran a simulation to check a formula, and then produced a full, gapless proof. Bubeck called it the most impressive output so far from a large language model. Mathematician Terence Tao reported generative AI saved him several hours, but not autonomously. He used his own theoretical assumptions and verified them with the AI. OpenAI released a report showing GPT-5 can save time across scientific fields. These accounts indicate time savings from several hours up to 1 month in research. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.